Let me start with the introduction. What is Certified Management System Specialist? That is CMSS. Management System Implementation Consultant Training course offered by TNV enables you to develop the required expertise to perform an efficient management systems implementation consultant audit using recognized audit principles, procedures, and techniques. Now let us know why process safety management training is important for you. This 24 hours of training course enables you learn the basic elements to manage management systems implementation consultant. During this training course, you will be able to understand the concepts and models of management systems implementation consultant. After completing this course, you can sit for the exam and apply for the Certified Management Systems Implementation Consultant Foundation credential. A foundation certificate shows that you have understood the fundamental methodologies, processes, and management approach. Now let us know what will you learn. Create process flow charts and business process maps. Identify required documents and apply methods for document control. Develop management system policies. Develop procedures and work instructions for the management system. Define a management system implementation plan. Now let us understand what is learning objectives. Identify best practices for documenting a management system. Identify the steps for implementing a management system. Identify the responsibilities and competences required to be an ISO management system implementer consultant. Let us tell you TNV training approach. This training is based on both theory and best practices used in information security risk management. Lecture sessions are illustrated with examples based on case studies. Practical exercises are based on a case study which includes role-playing and discussions. Practice tests are similar to the certification exam. Let us know the prerequisite for the Certified Management Systems Specialist Training. To attend these program, participants must have completed the fundamentals course for the management system standard. The duration of this course is 3 days, that is 24 hours, 8 hours per day, with the following training agenda for each day. Agenda 1. Introduction to the Management System Implementation Consultant. Agenda 2. Management Systems Implementation Consultant Principles. Agenda 3. Organization Compliance Activities. Agenda 4. Certification Exam. Global recognition. Let me tell you all about the recognition of this course now. This course is globally recognized and acceptable worldwide. Training offered by the TNV Institute is certified by Exemplar Global. Exemplar Global is a globally recognized certification body which offers personal certification and certification of training providers. Every participant who attends the training and qualifies the examination gets a training certificate from TNV Institute with an Exemplar Global emblem. Any candidate who qualifies the lead auditor course developed by TNV Institute is eligible to be enrolled as lead auditor with any certification body subject to fulfillment of other requirements like educational certificate and working experience. Core requirement is to attain a lead auditor certificate from any training agency duly approved by any recognized agency. Being approved by Exemplar Global, TNV is fulfilling all those requirements. I hope that you have come to know the recognition of this course, which is being offered by TNV. For more information about TNV and various training programs, you can contact us through email or phone. Now this brings us to the end of this session now. I sincerely thank you all for your support and interest. Thanks and best wishes.